Hello fellow crafters and welcome back to maxdmcrafting. This is it guys, this is the third quadrant, the third district that I'm doing in this mega board for Mordheim, and finally we are getting into the sewers of the city. Sewers are one of the best environment, one of the best situation that you can have in a tabletop gaming. For the role-play gaming guys, sewers are the perfect scenario for ambush, for hiding stuff, for escaping, and it's my favorite environment. If you check on my channel, I have a full series about modular sewers, but in this case we are creating an underground scenario for put this mega board on another level. First of all, I want to create the walkways around the canal that will be central in this piece, and then we will create the walls that will represent the exit from the sewers. These walls are very important because they create a separation between the gutter-rich district and the upper part of the town. One of the difficult part is for sure the lack of space that I have in this specific moment. I need to endure in this condition a little bit more until the point I create basically the last connection between the pieces that already exists. I'm speaking about the keep, guys, so yeah, till that moment I need to work actually in 40 centimeters, 60 centimeters of space, and with a lot of material it's very difficult to get comfortable, you know what I mean? Yeah, also for my mindset, it's very important to keep it clean all the time. So yes, I'm struggling a little bit. But yeah, never give up. This will be a very fun journey. So buckle up, take a seat, relax, and enjoy the sewers of Mordheim. Crack on! Now guys, it's very important to create the visual effect that these sewers are much deeper than what we see actually in the diorama. So I will create extra rooms, I will create spaces, and I will create a full preset for having light effects in the future, okay? The idea is to have manholes in the square upstairs, and then in that manholes to put little lights for having the light in the sewers. This is my crazy idea, guys. Then I will work with some brickwork and stuff like that. This paper roll, that is actually very solid, will serve as a roof, half roof, for create a round effect for the audience that are watching in the sewers. The idea is that you can watch inside this part by simply walk around the game board. So wish me luck. Now it's time for create a lot of bricks. Crack on! Basically I'm gonna create now the bricks here outside part. Then I will create this corner. I want to bring all this part actually much more closer to the canal, okay? Because I need to have a empty space for create fake rooms and stuff like that. But for now, yeah, bricks. Yes, a lot of bricks, and yeah, I need to finish the other side, of course, and I need to understand how to plan all the rooms and all the passages that I want to be seen through the side of the board. Guys, a big shout out to my Patreon supporters. You are the reason why I'm doing all of this. Please keep going with your support. And you, if you are not subscribed on this channel, please consider to subscribe. This helps a lot the channel. And if you want to have access to extra content, please consider to support me on Patreon. That's the best way to support this channel and allow me to do better and better in this beautiful journey of a crafting community. Till next time, happy crafting!